Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add your contacts on Discord, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First things first, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon labeled You. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, we need to access the settings. To do this, take a look at the top right corner of the screen for a gear icon. That's your settings gateway. Tap it to enter the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit. You'll find an option titled Privacy and Safety. This is where we can manage who can connect with you and how, so tap on it to proceed. Now, under the Find Your Friends section, you'll see an option called Sync Contacts. This is the key to adding your contacts on Discord. Make sure to toggle this on. By enabling Sync Contacts, Discord will access your phone's contacts, helping you find and connect with friends who are already using the app. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Discord account to sync with your contacts. Now you can easily find and connect with friends, making your chatting experience even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates and tips. Happy chatting on Discord.